Do you have lots of get up and go? In this Chatterbox Zoom workshop, we're looking at positive and negative qualities of people and personalities. And we looked at to have get up and go. The participants found it a bit challenging. Do you know what it means? Watch the video to find out. Has lots of get up and go. No? Shaking your head, Daniel.
No.
Tanya?
Positive.
Positive. What's it mean?
Have a lot of work to do. To be overloaded.
Oh, no, it's nothing to do with being overloaded. You have to say this about Alma. She's got lots of get up and go. Give me one word for it.
Initiative?
Could be initiative. Yeah, it could be initiative. Energy. Okay, get up and go. And I like initiative used there as well. She's got lots of energy. She's got lots of energy. It sums up quite a lot of things. You know, she'll when he decides to do something, he's got lots of get up and go. So initiative could come into it. Initiative, energy, enthusiasm. It's a very positive one. So yeah. So there you have it. If you have lots of get up and go, you have lots of energy, lots of enthusiasm, lots of initiative. Nothing really daunts you. You can face any challenge. To learn more words like this and expressions, why not join our Chatterbox Zoom workshops? They're great value, they're very rewarding, and they're fun. We're very friendly. And it's all about using expressions, English native speaker expressions, to improve your communication abilities and to enable you to chat more freely and easily. So come and join us. You'll learn a lot and you'll have fun. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.